Okay, now this is clear, everyone. Can-
It's breaking, so
Okay, now is it okay?
yes.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now you've understood we need a reconciliation account for normal vendor payments and we need an advance payment GL. Okay, you have understood both. Very good. Yes. Now, now what will we do? We'll go here. Again, I will show you the path once more. Okay. SAP, SPRO, SAP reference IMG, accounts receivable, accounts payable, business transactions, down payment made, define alternative reconciliation account for down payments. Go here. Then J is already there. Click on J. Double click. What is our chart of account?
INT it.
INT 8.
Continue. Enter INT8. Now, what is the reconciliation account? First, we enter the reconciliation account. INT8. Enter the reconciliation account. SAN1 is our company code. What is the reconciliation account? First, tell me which is the reconciliation account from your. Hello.
111,402.
What is the reconciliation account? Read properly and tell me what is the reconciliation account.
Advance payment for AP for SAN1.
I am asking you reconciliation account. Read properly. Where is reconciliation account written?
Two,
For 2
two
lakhs.
five zeros.
Correct.
2 lakhs, sir.
First, we enter reconciliation account. Yes, we enter reconciliation account. Now we
Yes.
enter the advance payment GL. What is the advance payment GL now?
1 lakh 2.
Correct. This one. Now, you must be thinking, why are we putting here reconciliation account and your special GL account with the indicator and advance payment GL? Why are we doing this? Press enter. Why are we doing this? Let me save it. Okay, you have to understand this also. Saved, changes have been saved. It says no. Let's go. Why recall account and advance payment shield are assigned together. Okay. Alekya, read.
This is actually one of the most important concepts in special GL transactions. Account and payment GL assigned together because SAP needs to know which customer or vendor the transaction belongs to and where the amount should be posted in general ledger. A vendor or a customer subledger cannot post by itself. It must always be linked to a reconciliation account.
Okay, now
Normal vendor
wait, wait,
posting.
wait, wait, wait.
Suppose vendor
Wait,
V1.
Alekya, wait. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Alekya. So why are reconciliation account and advance payment GL assigned together? Because SAP needs to know which customer vendor the transaction belongs to and where the amount should be posted. Now every time when we have to pay a vendor, it is hitting the reconciliation account. But we are receiving the down payment, it should hit another account. Yes or no? Yes. When we are doing the advance payment, it should hit another account and not the regular reconciliation account. Yes or no? We have saved this. Now I'll tell you, let's make a down payment now, okay? The T code is F dash 48. Yes, document date is 15.06.2026. Vendor is what? 4200 Shravya Account, I think cash account we have, no? Yes. Amount, let's say 10,000. Enter. What does it say below?
Fill the required entry fields.
What do we have to fill here? Special GL indicator. Yes or no? What is our special GL indicator? इसमें से क्या है?
J.
J. Yes or no? It is J. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
J select
Yes.
करो. Yes. Company code SN1. Currency is INR. Yes. Document type is KZ. Period is 3, which is June. Yes. Document date is there. Posting date is there. Account is there, which is the vendor account. This account is the cash account. Amount is there. Yes. Now press enter. What does it say? Value date field. You have to enter a date. We can enter today's date. 15.06.2026. Enter now. Yes. Again, we can enter the amount here. 10,000. Yes. Amount entered. Which GL account is it taking here now? Tell me.
Assets.
Okay. But which GL? 10002 is what?
Reconciliation code.
1002 is
Advanced payment.
Advance payment.
Advance payment. We are taking
Advance
advance
payment.
payment. Yes. Because we are making a down payment. And then let's save it. Save. Now 50004 was posted. If you go to document, display. Yes. Now if you go to Shravya, what does it say? Advance payment GL. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If you go to cash account, yes, this is how it looks like. Now, if you go to FBL1N, SAN1 open items, you go here. If you go here, it says normal GL account, which is 20000. Yes or no? Normal GL account. Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. And where is our account? 50004. कहाँ पर है? 50004. Why can't I see here? Go to all items. Array 50004. Why can't I see it here in the reporting tab? Where is that? Dun, 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 dun. Document number 50004. It is here. This is 50004. Why can't I see it? Okay. Maybe we have made a down payment. That's why vendor invoice mate is not visible. Let me go to FB FBL3N. Let me remove this. Open items. SAN1 company code. Yes. Can you see? 50004. Yes. And if I click on it, if I go here, if I go to Shravya and see, it is taking advance payment GL. Clear, everyone? So whenever there is an advance payment, it should go into this account, and when we have to pay to the vendor, it should go into 20000 GL. Clear, everyone? Got the concept?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Easy, no? Not that difficult. Yes, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, everyone. Then I think that's enough for today. We will continue tomorrow. Please practice. Are you guys practicing? Ashutosh, Pragati, Alekia, Prasanna, Indumati, Kartiki. Are you guys practicing?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So where are the questions? Why is nobody asking me any questions? सब solve हो रहा है क्या automatically?
No, sir. We also, I mean, I also encountered so many queries, but I resolved with the chat GPT or saw the videos.
Okay, very good.
Yes, sir. Same here.
So you have to use If you are able to solve on your own, that means you will become very good consultants. Okay. So you have to use Google, you have to use YouTube, you have to use sap.community.com website. You can use ChatGPT, you can use Claude. I don't know, use anything. But any issue you have in the system, you should be able to solve with the help of these tools. If you are able to do that, that means you have a good future with being a consultant, because consultant's main job is to solve the issues of the customer. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
while
Yes, sir.
working in project also will follow the same, or
Sorry, Ashutosh.
while working in project, so will follow the same, means you will
See,
use
in in projects also, nobody knows anything completely. More than 90% of the consultants use ChatGPT, Google, YouTube, everything they use. But once with practice, no, once you practice enough, once you have enough experience, you might not have to look there. Yes, but until you get the hang in your, get the hang of it, and you are ready for it, you use all these tools. Yes, in projects also you can use. Clear?
okay, okay.
Okay,
There
sir.
will also be seniors who can help you, but it's better you use and solve on your own, confirm, talk to your members, talk to your
Yes,
colleagues and everything, and always have a solution by yourself. Do not depend on anybody for anything in your life. Okay?
yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. So I will see you guys tomorrow morning. Yes, I will send an email, then you please confirm. Yes, all right, 50% is done. I will see you guys tomorrow. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.